Come test drive 2021 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.